Hello students, welcome back to Mudassir Academy. In today's class, we will be solving this problem. Find the coordinates of the vector v is equal to 1 minus 3 2 with respect to the basis s is equal to bracket 1 1 1 1 1 0 and 1 0 0. See, this problem has been discussed in the VTU model question paper of the fresh VTU 25th scheme, that is 1 BMAT S101, and also the syllabus has been covered in the older VTU scheme, that is BMAT E201 and BMAT S201. And also, since the exams are nearing, so you need to work very hard. Please refer my channel for the playlist and the courses. Refer them and practice well so that I can score good marks in the examination. And also, please do the favor of sharing these videos with your friends and classmates who can get benefited from these videos. And also, in the end, don't forget to subscribe and stay updated for upcoming videos. So, coming back to the solution here, see they are given the vector v is equal to, it's a very simple problem with a simple solution, okay, and the bases are given as s is equal to 1 1 1 comma 1 1 0 and 1 0 0. Okay, now see, s is equal to 1 1 1 1 1 0 and 1 0 0. This all are bases in real number, 3 dimension, that is r cube. Okay, so I simply write here a simple theory. Since S is a basis of R cube, every vector in R cube, that is 3-dimensional real numbers, every vector in R cube can be written as a linear combination. Can be written what? As a linear combination of vector capital S. That's the basis. Okay. So what I am telling here, understand clearly. Since S is a basis of the real numbers that R cube in 3 dimension, every vector in R cube can be written as a linear combination of the vector S. What is that? Linear combination of vector S. That means we have to write what? Or we have to express V as a linear combination of basis vector. So express, I write here expressing V as a linear combination of basis vector. So what you can write here? We can write this as V is equal to A into, what are they? 1 1 1. I am expressing this as a linear combination, plus I take the other A, you can take A, B, C, alpha, beta, gamma, or A or A2, A3, what according to your wish. Okay. So A, B into 1 1 0 plus C into 1 0 0. Okay, fine. Now what's V? V is 1 minus 3 2. It implies 1 minus 3 comma 2 is equal to A into 1 comma 1 comma 1 plus B into 1 comma 1 comma 0 plus C into 1 comma 0 comma 0. Okay. Now let's make the system of equations out of this. See, we can write, I write here, see, A into 1 is A plus B into 1 is B plus C into 1 is C equals, equate it on this side is what? Simply 1. Then second, A into 1 A plus B C plus C into 0 is equal to what? It's minus 3. And lastly, A into 1 A plus B into 0 C into 0 is equal to what? 2. See, there is no need of solution here because the solution is clearly in front of you. So if you see here carefully, what is A here? Implies we have A is equal to 2, put here, B is equal to what? Minus 3 minus A, that is minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 5, and lastly C is equal to what? 1 minus a minus b from the equations. So 1 minus 2 plus 5. So that will be 4. That's all. So by solving the system of equations, we have the values of a as a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5, and lastly c is equal to 4. These are all the values which we obtain. Okay. So we can write, therefore the coordinates of the vector v with respect to the basis are what are they? 2 minus 5 4. That's all. 2 minus 5 4. A very simple solution. That's it. So that's the solution for this problem. A very simple question with a very simple solution. So please practice this repeatedly, and also I request you to please practice some more problems from the playlist and practice them and prepare for the examination. That's all for today's video. If you have any queries or if you want me to solve more problems, then please post in the comment below. Stay updated, keep practicing, be confident. See you in the next video with more problems. Bye.